Looking for somewhere you can raise your family peacefully away from the hustle and bustle of the city and next to your workplace? Try focus on this 2-bedroom unit located at the heart of Westlands. The size is 95.96 square meters and the price is 12.6 million Kenya shillings only. Payment plan is equally flexible, where you only need to look for a deposit of 20% and clear the balance within 18 months free of interest. The unit has a closed kitchen and a sitting room balcony, and the master bedroom is en suite. Let's take a tour. This luxurious 2-bedroom unit is available for sale here at the heart of Westlands for only 12.6 million Kenya shillings. And the icing of the cake is the fact that you don't need to pay all the amount at once. No, you can do installment payment by putting in a deposit of 20%. 20% of 12.6 comes to about 2,520,000. 2,520,000, that is 2.52, and then do a monthly installment of for the next 18 months. Monthly installment there comes to about 560,000. 560,000 for the next 18 months, and by December 2026 you become a brand new owner of a brand new unit here at the heart of Westlands. And so let's take a look at these units, see what it comes with. So as we said, this is a digital lock, and it comes with video intercom, that when somebody is ringing outside, you'll see them through the screen, and you will gauge, you will see whether to give them access or not. And as you come, you'll have this area here. You can use it as a study area, or you can choose what to improvise it for. But as well, it comes with a lot of storage here. You can put a lot of items down there, a lot of cabinets for storage. And I see there are books here, so actually you can use it also as a bookshelf, and more cabinets here. So even if it comes to keeping a lot of stuff, you can use it to keep a lot of stuff. And just beside it, you have a winery. You can keep all the red wines, all the wines that you want. And of course, the kitchen is closed, and next to the kitchen is the dining. How many sets? 1, 2, 3, 4, but you can put a larger one, of course. And inside the kitchen, this is just beautiful. Look at the unit. Of course, all the units come fitted. You have your hood there, the cooking area, and then there's provision for the fridge. There's a 90-liter fridge, but if you have a larger one, it can fit. And as you go beyond, you have now the area for the laundry. Now the laundry area is spacious enough, but of course, as you can see, it comes also with a pantry area. You can keep the carpets and all that inside the laundry. There's a pantry area, and of course, piping has been done, so it is a matter of installation and plug and play, bringing in the laundry machine, and then you wash and dry your clothes. And now take a look at the sitting room area. So the sitting room area, just have a look. Of course, it comes with this 90 inches television, of course, nicely fitted there. You have a lot of storage down there. The carpet has been put well, and you have a balcony right at the setting. Sometimes you just want to relax and enjoy the view of the outside environment. Of course, you have the round table here and the 2 seats, so you can call your friend, and just sometimes you want to just sit and relax. Let's close and then go to the other bedrooms. Now let's take a tour of the bedrooms. Of course, the spacing is good. From the door, you have the winery, you have the some provision for the storage there, then you have the dining, and then the closed kitchen. Then you have the space here, a lot of space here. If you have kids, will be their playground. You play inside the unit, and then you have the sitting room area there with the balcony. And of course, now let's go to the one of the bedrooms. When you come to one of the bedrooms, this is a bedroom that uses the shared washroom area, but it comes with it's a large window here for aeration and for lighting. You don't need to rely on electricity during the day while using this unit. The wooden tiling has been neatly done here, so as to keep the temperature of the room, keep the room warm. And this is now the cabinet. You can see a lot of storage. You can put all the bags there, a lot of stuff there. And then you have more drawers here for the cosmetics, for the towels and all that, and more storage there. And it is good. You have the bedside tables everywhere. Now let us look at the master. Let us look at the master in suite. And there's still the spacing. We are still at the corridor. From the sitting room area, the bedrooms are a little bit hidden. So the distinction is really good in terms of the time it takes from the sitting room area to the bedroom. It is good. Now this is the shared washroom area. Just look at the type of cubicle that has been placed here to separate the toilet area, of course, and the washroom area, the bathroom area rather. And then you have your sink area there and a place you can put your towel. And now you go to the master bedroom itself. This is the master itself. And of course you have this space here. I like it here that sometimes you just want to put a pillow here and just sit and relax. When you don't want to use the bed, you have been sleeping for a while now. Now it is time to take a rest and just maybe with your partner here, sit and have a meaningful conversation. Sometimes you just want to open the window and enjoy the freshness of the outside environment. Just let the air in and breathe out, and you have the nicely done bedside cabinetry there. You can keep some items there. And to this side is where you have now the closet, a lot of closet for a lot of storage. A lot of storage here. The closet is large, it is beautiful. So as a man, I think this one is enough for you, so that the rest you leave for your spouse. You only need a space to hang your coats. The rest, it is the women who tend to have a lot of clothes, a lot of clothing to be kept. And now this is the washroom area for the master. Again, look at the spacing. The distance just from the bedroom area to the washroom area. When somebody is taking a shower and another one is sleeping, they will not notice. They will not hear another one using the shower because of the distance. Or they could just hear it slightly, and then you the shower area. Now you have a glass cubicle here to separate the toilet and the shower area, and then you have the sink there and the mirror. Sometimes you want to take a look at yourself before you head outside, and it is good. So that is it for this 2-bedroom unit here. As I always say, never wait to buy real estate. No, the flip side is true. Buy real estate and wait. Why? The growth rate, capital appreciation, and all that. You can buy this unit for residential, later on you dispose it and enjoy the gains. Currently, retailing price is 12.6 million. Factoring in the capital gains around this place, which is over 20%, meaning if you are to dispose your property in the next few years, in the next 1 or 2 years, you will get a margin of slightly over 1 million. That is still profit. But again, this is a very quiet environment. This neighborhood, you can raise a beautiful family. All the amenities are here. And this masterpiece development, here you have all the amenities that you need. You have the sauna, you have the gym, you have the swimming pool, everything is there. And the access card, the lift are accessible through via the access card. Also, the fact that now when you have an office around and you have your residential around, it is just meaningful enough. But I don't want to focus on that. My focus would be, why would you go for a 2-bedroom specifically and not a 3-bedroom or not a 2-bedroom? Or why would you go for a 3-bedroom, a 2-bedroom specifically, and not a 3-bedroom or a 1-bedroom or even a 4-bedroom? It is because sometimes of your budget. While a 3-bedroom would go for 18 million, 15 million, 2-bedroom, on the other hand, selling price is only 12.6 million, and you can negotiate. And this is something that you can pay in installment. You will live for a deposit of around 2.5, and then you the rest you do in monthly installment coming to about 500,000, 5.5, 550,000 rather. So this is something that is doable. If interested, please call the number on the screen. WhatsApp the number on the screen. I'll personally attend to you. I'll help you secure a unit here. I'll take you to where these units are. Otherwise, keep it here, Kaba Realtors. Subscribe if not subscribed, so that every time we post such videos, YouTube of course will automatically notify you, so that you get to enjoy what we do and you get to see various properties and a variety rather to choose from. Otherwise, my name is Bob. Until next time, Kaba Realtors, keep it here.